Alright, so here we go, you guys. This is my bathroom that is connected to my laundry room. So we have a half bath in here and my laundry. You're gonna hear my washer going. Or if you hear something in the background, it's my washer. But this bathroom does not get used very often, and look at the hard water stains up in this toilet. I've lived here for a year. I have not found anything to clean the inside of this toilet to get these off and to keep it clean. Therefore, I've done some research trying to figure out what could be the issue, and it might not be your toilet bowl per se that's the issue. It might be what's hiding in the back of this tank. Apparently, for proper toilet maintenance, you are supposed to clean your tank of the toilet twice a year. Like I said, I've lived here a year, and I've never once done that. So this toilet was really nasty when we bought the house. I don't think anyone really knew how to keep this toilet clean. I don't know why it's this toilet in particular. I don't know if it's because it's attached to our laundry room. Don't know. It's just really nasty compared to our other toilets. Our other toilets do not have this issue. Therefore, I'm going to be showing you guys, or testing, hopefully, how to get rid of all these hard water stains with, what else? Vinegar. And apparently it's supposed to get all these out. So what I'm going to do is actually open the pop, or I'm going to pop open this tank here and take a look inside. Go figure, that's black. Okay, super nasty. So what we're gonna do here is turn the water off, and that's just this, you guys can see this handy dandy little thing back here. Ooh, pair of pliers. All right, so we're just going to turn this off. And now we're gonna give the toilet a flush to empty out the tank here. I'm holding down the flusher here to empty out as much water from the tank as possible. There we go. So now your tank should be empty. And what I'm going to do is dump in, so I've got my spray bottle here full of nothing but vinegar. And we are just going to go ahead and spray this all up in here. I do not have much hope for this. I'm not gonna lie. I don't see how this is gonna get all this off. Who knows? Maybe I'll be surprised. I mean, it does look like it's actually starting to take off some of that. Oh my gosh, do you see that? That's insane. I don't know if this is gonna be a no scrub method, but this might actually fix my toilet issue. Okay, so I finished spraying in there, put the top back on the tank, and now I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do to attempt to get rid of some of this. I also read that you can take toilet paper, and we're just going to spray this with our vinegar here, our toilet paper, spray it with some vinegar, and shove them right underneath here on the toilet bowl where these water stains are super, super harsh. So what I'm finding works best here, I'm going to try to show you this, is I'm going to spray the area in which I'm going to place my toilet paper. So it's wet. I'm going to place the toilet paper there because now it's going to stick, and then I'm going to finish spraying it with my vinegar. I found that to be the most effective way to place this toilet paper. And if you didn't want to use toilet paper, because I know that's a hot commodity these days with Corona, you could use paper towels, napkins, like if you have leftover old party napkins that are like themed, maybe you have baby shower napkins, old kids' birthday party napkins, I'm sure that that would work just as well for this. All this toilet paper is doing is acting as like a vinegar soaked cotton swab to concentrate down onto those hard water stains, the rust, and it's just going to sit there and distill specific into that spot you place the toilet paper soaked vinegar. It's really just going to soak in there, break all that stuff up. At least that's what it's supposed to do. Like I said, I've never done this before. I'm testing this for the first time with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead, let this sit for an hour, and we're going to come back and scrape away the toilet paper, see how this goes. But what I'm going to do first is just spray more vinegar on those spots here. I'm gonna go get some more toilet paper and finish out these couple areas where I want more toilet paper. I'll show you guys the finished product, and then we're gonna let it sit for an hour. So here is my finished product before I let it sit for an hour. I got a lot of toilet paper crammed in here, you guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. If your toilet is not as bad, you're not gonna need as much. What I'm going to do is put on a pair of rubber gloves and just scrape it all out, throw it in a paper bag, and then I'll take my regular toilet brush and scrub when it comes time to it. But I'm gonna close this and I'll see you guys in an hour. However, I'm very excited to see what's happening underneath this tank. I'm very tempted to lift it up and see what's happening, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna wait an hour so we can all see it together. All right, so it's the moment of truth. Got my glove on here for the scrubbing purposes. We're gonna take the top off this tank and see just how well that vinegar worked. I'm very excited to see this. Okay, so I'm a little disappointed, but I don't know if you guys can see that, but it does look like with some scrubbing it's coming off. So I'm actually gonna grab my toilet, or not a toilet brush, I'm gonna grab some sort of sponge and kind of scrub out the inside here. Let me go get a sponge quick. Sponge in hand. Okay, so while I would say this is definitely not a no scrub method, I would not say that. However, this did loosen everything up a lot. I mean, like a lot. I'm just like barely wiping it off and it's coming off. Can you guys see that? So I'm just going to wipe this all. I'll give everything a good scrub here. And then I think with 1 or 2 flushes, this is going to be cleaned out super well. And then hopefully I won't have any more issues with hard water stains in this toilet bowl. Just gonna go in here, get the back here. Like there's definitely still gonna be a ring here on the around the toilet. But it's definitely gonna be way better than what it was cleaning this toilet. So here's the back of this toilet bowl now. Like I said, definitely not a no scrub method, definitely not perfect. However, way better. This is going to keep your toilet from stinking. This should keep the toilet bowl from getting all those rust stains like you saw earlier. So I'm very satisfied with this. I was very skeptical when I opened the top of this tank. However, I'm feeling much better. So now what I'm going to do before I turn the water back on is lift this toilet seat up. I have my paper bag here. I'm just going to take all that toilet paper we soaked with vinegar and put it right in this bag just for easy cleanup. I've got my regular toilet brush here and now we're going to scrub. Okay, it's definitely taking some of that off.
I heard you making a video.
So it's taking off these less significant stains. However, these harder ones here, it's not doing so well on. But you guys can see that the tinge of the water is literally orange because of all the rust and hard water. Definitely not doing well for those hard spots back here. However, it did do okay on some of these smaller stains. I mean, I feel like I could scrub all day and this just wouldn't. This just isn't going to work for these. However, my toilet bowl where it did clean does look very white, I must say. So I feel like vinegar in a normal toilet would probably do really well. It worked awesome for the tank. I don't see it working too hot for these stains though. So stay tuned. I'm definitely gonna be trying more products to try to get these stains out as well. I'm gonna have to do some more research find out what I can find to get these done. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video, because this video is coming. I have another project in mind to try to get these. I'm just gonna have to order it. So now to finish this up, what we're gonna have to do is turn our water back on here. Once you turn your water back on, your tank's gonna refill, and what I'm gonna do is just flush it. But that's pretty much that. All we're gonna do now is top the toilet off with the tank. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll leave a playlist down below. You guys can check out some other videos that I've done on this channel teaching you how to clean, testing cleaning hacks, and homemade cleaners. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.